So hello and welcome back to my channel, Let Her Create. And today I am working on a prompted journal book that I have wanted to do for quite some time. But honestly, I can admit to saying that I really didn't have the bandwidth to get all of the topics that I wanted to cover out into my book. And I do have a professional career. That is, something that I wanted to bring to that because it's necessary. Like, in your career, you learn things that um, you can utilize. Like, it's oftentimes the things that you don't know, that you didn't know, you know, that you can monetize and turn your knowledge into a skill set or as a means to help somebody that didn't even know that they had a a blind spot. I'm not going to say a problem. I will say blind spot because it is important how you phrase things because you want to make sure you're like meeting people where they are or at least trying. But I digress. Excuse me. So, in this video, I'm just showing you how I quickly edit my master pages to whatever the theme is for the books that I'm working on. And sometimes I have a set template. It depends on the type of the book. It depends on the type of the journal that I'm creating. It just depends on what I'm doing with the planner or with the file itself. So these are my masters, and I sectioned out the journal prompts because this is going to be a journal prompt book. I sectioned it off how I wanted the pages to go, and I just did it into chapters because I wanted to make sure I hit on certain areas in my career, that I've noticed or whatever. So, I have 5 sections, and I did kind of create this out of order. I put it out of order, but it doesn't matter how they're placed as long as you have them. So I have my section 1 to my journal section page, which I just titled it chapter page because whatever you do on the master does show up on the pages section. And keep in mind, I am in the master section in Affinity Publisher version 2. I made a journal page, and I should have done another page with this going the other way, but I anticipate people using this in GoodNotes and maybe understanding that they can change it, but it will change how the pages are numbered for the hyperlinking. So that's something to consider. And I did hyperlink the journal just because I wanted people to be able to quickly flip to a certain topic. Maybe they want to work the book out of order. So I want that flexibility for them. And I did my table of contents page like this just because I wanted to keep the style of it. And then as time goes on, because I will probably make this a template for other types of journals that I'm working on, other types of projects that I'm planning this year, because this is going to be the year for my other digital means of earning income. So I have the table of contents page. And I'll be honest, I haven't used the table of contents feature in the in here. Oh, okay. So now what I'm doing, because I forgot what I was doing for just a second. So I'm going to first go to this page, and it doesn't have a master applied to it. So I'm going to go back to this page, and then I'm going to click Apply Master, and I'm going to go to Master Age. Now I should rename it. Do I want to replace? It doesn't even have one, but I'm going to turn it off and click OK. And the reason why I turn that off is because I don't want to get into the habit of replacing, because I use the master's pages like transparency sheets, and I will confuse the heck out of myself. I will confuse the dickens out of myself if I just click to delete. So I knew my titles were going to need an adjustment when I decided to make this elaborate change. And that's okay. That is a-okay. So I think I have everything highlighted. So I'm gonna do them all in white, and it works. So what else I might do with all of the text on this page, well, all of the titles on this page, is enhance the text. Take it from regular to bold. And see, and that works for me. I like that. So I'm just gonna move my title over. I'm gonna delete. Yeah. Move it over. And so I did not use this in order. There are other ways to use this and save time. But essentially, like a lot of times, I have an idea and I'm just really ready to go. So I build out certain things as I plan them. And there is a book that I use as a great point of reference to help me with quick layouts and things. But I do have like go-tos, because that is also how people get comfortable with the brand or with what you're doing, especially if you plan on making this an existing thing or a continuing thing. So now I'm at the end of my page, and I'm just going to add a blank page. I'm going to just add a blank page in the end and probably leave it at that, or just have this be the end and clear the master. I'm going to go to this page and press and hold and just clear the master. So just wanted to make that really quick video about the master's pages. And I know every time I come on here, I talk about this and I'm driving it home about how effective masters are at quickly helping you lay out your document. And maybe for the next one, I will do another video about using it from start to finish, because now I have a setup that I do enjoy. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.